Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. We take a look at exciting stock market news, the morning's biggest gainers and losers, as well as some notable earnings reports. So if you aren't already, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. Another great way to stay up to date with stock market related news is to check out the TipRanks Instagram at TipRanks for Investors. I'll have the link down below in the description as well. Yesterday, they had a great post covering which types of stocks could gain from inflation. So lots of great content there. Make sure you go and take a look. All right, now with that being said, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the green this morning, with Dow futures being up 0.25%, S&P 500 futures up 0.3%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.45%. Bitcoin continues its volatile ride at the mercy of Elon Musk's tweets. It was back over 38,000 this morning after dipping below 32,000 yesterday. Elon had triggered a sell-off of Bitcoin after criticizing its energy usage, but yesterday he tweeted that he spoke with North American Bitcoin miners and they committed to publish current and planned renewable usage and to ask miners worldwide to do so. Potentially promising. Pelaton plans on opening its first U.S. plant by 2023. They plan to set up their first U.S. factory in Ohio's Troy Township. The company will spend $400 million on the facility, which it will call Pelaton Output Park. Construction will start this summer with the goal of beginning production at the plant in 2023. The facility is expected to create more than 2,000 jobs in the area. Their stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential over 30%. Vuzix Corporation has announced an order from the virtual surgery company Rods and Cones. The order is for their Vuzix M400 smart glasses, and it's estimated to be worth $1.2 million. It will support enhanced remote exchanges between experts and surgeons in the operating room through those smart glasses. Vuzix is a leading supplier of smart glasses in augmented reality technology and products, whereas Rods and Cones provides a fully virtual surgical collaboration platform. The Vuzix stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of 82%. Martin Marietta has made a $2.3 billion takeover bid for Lee Hansen's West Region business. Lee Hansen's building material manufacturing business will join Martin Marietta's building material supply business, bringing 17 quarries and 2 cement plants. The acquisition will expand Martin Marietta's footprint into some of the nation's largest and fastest growing region. The acquisition is consistent with the company's strategic initiatives that seek to enhance its footprints. And once the takeover closes, which should close before year end, it will expand Martin Marietta's product offerings across the U.S. Their stock comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of 9.7%. Commercial lighting and graphic solutions provider LSI Industries has acquired JSI store fixtures for $90 million. JSI provides retail commercial display solutions. Its solutions have seen growth on the back of demand from major supermarket, convenience, and specialty store chains. This acquisition will create a diversified business of scale, provide a strong platform for growth, and enables the company to capitalize on a multi-year investment cycle in the grocery industry. The LSI Industry stock just has 2 analyst ratings and comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of over 51%. Now let's take a look at this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Starting off with our biggest gainer so far, which is Taiwan Liposome Company. Trading under the ticker TLC, they're currently up 19%, following a gain of over 14% yesterday. As well as New Oriental Education and Technology under EDU, currently up over 11%, following a drop of 18% yesterday. And ADC Therapeutics under ADCT, they're currently up 11%. Our biggest losers so far this morning are led by IAC Interactive. Trading under the ticker IAC, they're down 32% this morning. Followed by Lordstown Motors under the ticker RIDE, who's down 14%. And SOC Telemet under TLMD, who are down just shy of 10%. Now taking a look at notable earnings reports. Starting off with BEEM Global, who posted a smaller than expected loss for their first quarter. However, their sales missed analyst expectations of $1.84 million. BEEM Global, who provides technology for electric vehicle charging, outdoor media, and energy security, incurred a loss of 14 cents per share in the first quarter, compared to the 17-cent loss per share estimated by analysts. Their revenue generated in the quarter was $1.37 million, which had grown 4% from the year-ago period. Their stock does have analysts split between buy and hold ratings right now, with an average upside potential of 131%. That is largely driven by a massive price target of $90 from 2 months ago. The price targets we've seen come in yesterday and today are split between a hold rating with no price target and a buy rating with a 100% upside potential. We also heard from Target Hospitality Corporation, who reported a loss in their first quarter. The company, who is the largest provider of specialty hospitality accommodations, incurred a loss of 14 cents per share in the first quarter compared to earnings of 6 cents per share in the year-ago period. Their revenue generated in the quarter was $45.5 million, which declined 36.5% from the year-ago period. However, the figure did come in above analyst expectations. Their stock does come in as a moderate buy with an upside potential of 10.5%, with the most recent rating being a hold rating coming in yesterday. Delivering strong results for their Q2 was Nordson. The company designs and manufactures dispensing equipment for consumer and industrial adhesives, sealants, and coatings. Their revenues of $590 million surpassed the street's estimates of $547 million and jumped 11% from the year-ago period. The increase was attributed to robust growth in electronics and consumer non-durable end markets. Their earnings came in at $2.12 per share, beating the consensus estimates of $1.64 per share and soaring 34% year over year. Their stock comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside of over 14%. However, we haven't seen any analysts reiterate their price targets since this earnings report came out, so it'll be interesting to keep an eye on that. Other earnings reports expected this morning are from AutoZone and Cracker Barrel. And in the after hours, we're expecting to hear from Agilent Technologies, Nordson, and Intuit Incorporated. So that is everything for Tuesday's pre-market morning update, bringing you up to speed with what you need to know before the market opens. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to stop back at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Richard Allen's Power Hour, where he'll get you up to speed about what has been going on in the market throughout the day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.